using the Gardenary systems, it allows me to take what I've learned on my own and put it into the systems, and I see where the systems can really work. I'm Kim Thomas, and my business is Homegrown Delight, and we are located in Suffolk, Virginia. Well, I decided to become a garden consultant because, as you can tell, I've been in corporate America all my life. I'm tired of it, and it has totally worn me out. I ended up in divorce, all types of mess. But I've decided to go for what I really like to do. So I looked at what I like to do in my spare time and whether that could make a living for me while I'm in retirement, because I'm getting ready to retire as well. My biggest win so far is hearing from a person that I have consulted with who told me that their blood pressure has gone down and they're now off their blood pressure meds. I was like, wow, that's amazing. Now, this particular person also watched me and what I do, how I eat, and has actually seen me go out into my garden and pick a few leaves, bring them in the house, and fix them. And so that person has latched onto that and changed their lifestyle, because it's a lifestyle change. It's not something that you just do for a season or whatever. It's a total lifestyle change. And their blood pressure has gone down. The benefit for me, I think people tend to listen a little more and pay attention, where some people say, oh, I don't have time for that. It's a bother. It's a whole lot. You know what I mean? But once you demonstrate, and demonstration is like the best thing. So it's a consultancy, but you can demonstrate by what you do, how you live. So I want to go out to the nursing homes. I want to go out to the senior citizens communities, the 55 plus, and I want to make sure that they have gardens there. I want to go to the veterans. My brother's a vet and my sister's an Army vet, both of them. And he's had success. A lot of my consults I find is that the people that are younger, my kids' age, they don't live like we do. They don't have homes with little yards. They are urbanites. So they live in high rises and they have balconies and they like to go down to Starbucks to get their coffee. But they also like to go out to their balcony and pick some leaves and bring them in the house and cook them, because they learned how to cook from us. I believe in leading by example, and the people that I've trained in corporate America, I lead by example, and I left a legacy. They're flying. So I'm gonna do the same thing with Gardenary. Gardening is my passion. I've been doing it for years on my own, and now using the Gardenary systems, it allows me to take what I've learned on my own and put it into the systems, and I see where the systems can really work. So why should somebody use me? Because I've got a lot to share. I've got experience to share, and I've got Gardenary behind me to help me. They've got all the tools. I'm going to transmit those tools to my client base, and they're going to be successful.